with the various kinds of ads that can be launched on social Facebook mainly. Yeah, ads managers.
Sir, actually, we're doing this campaign and learn, sir. We should convert our normal account to a professional account, sir. That is compulsory.
No, no, not really. So, but then you need to have a page, business page, and you have to link your business page with your account. Data. So historically, we ran some campaigns. Okay. So still people are joining. Let me accept that. Okay. Yeah. So see now in the previous classes we have seen how to launch Google Ad campaign, and most of these platforms almost a majority of things will be same, right? So look at this, the campaign, ad sets and the ads, final ads. So on Google Ads it was campaign, ad group and ad copies, ad copies, ad assets, various such things. Okay. So October class test campaign in draft, catalog products interest based, uh, results 22,639. So these are clicks, yeah. Reach 2,06,963. Impressions 3,57,000. So reach is number of people seeing your ad, and impressions is this 2 lakh people might have seen more number of times, and that's when the impressions will be 3,57,000. So this 2,06,000 or 7,000 people have seen your ads 3,57,000. This indicates some of them might have seen them twice also, thrice also, or maybe more number of times as well. Okay. So cost per result 0.25 paisa.
So what is
Yeah.
the difference between
25
reach and
rupee, not
impression?
paisa. Yeah. Sorry.
What is the difference between reach and impression?
So that's what I told you. Reach is our unique. See, reach is number of people seeing your ad.
See, okay.
Number of people. How many people has your ad reached? Your ad has reached this many number of people, and these many number of people might have seen your ad these many number of times. So 3,57,000 divided by 2,06,963, 1 point close to 1.5. Yeah. So on average, your ad was shown to 1.5 people. It's not 1.5 people. The average is coming to 1.5. People must have seen your ad twice or thrice. See, that would have happened with you as well, right? So when you are exploring the social media pages, you must have on Facebook you must have seen the ad today, and tomorrow also again you might see the same ad, correct? There are good chances that you might see that ad again, right? So that's when the impression counts double. The impression will be two now. You have seen the ad yesterday and today as well, correct? But it's not always everybody are seeing it twice. Only half of these people are seeing it twice. Maybe, or maybe 60 percentage of these people, 60 percentage of these people are seeing your ad twice. That's why impressions has come to 3,57,000. Yeah. And cost per result. So when they see your ad, they would interact with your ad, they would click the link and go to your website. Per link click, it's costing 0.25 rupee, that is 25 paisa. And total amount spent on this campaign is 5,66,000, sorry, 5,662 rupees. Yeah. So we'll try to launch these kinds of campaigns. Yeah.
Actually, that it clicks 22,000. Here, any possible to check how many things we converted as a business that we cannot check
Yes,
it?
we can. So it shows the conversions. So here, let me pick. We don't have the conversions tracked here. Okay, maybe let me click on this.
So that link, no, sir. That link, what type of link, sir? WhatsApp or a direct message?
It can be anything.
And it knows this. I am particularly
This thing I have to look into. This was launched long back, right? So we'll have to look into it, what it is. Conversions, conversions, conversions. Conversion rate ranking is already there. Let's see where is it now showing. So same way, we can record the events or sales happening on our website. When the traffic goes to the website, I'm just trying to pull the details, pull those details. Delivery, reach frequency, cost per thousand accounts, active accounts, active impressions, CPM.
Okay, sir. The option is there. Delete, sir. We can delete information. You and
So conversions, this conversions.
already campaign there are conversion this can has to you can see converted leads.
Okay. See, your conversions could be something like this. Maybe app installations is what you must be working towards. Let's see one by one. Uh, yeah, checkouts initiated. You see here, app installations, add to carts, ads of payment info. So now you can consider here anything as a conversion. Okay. So the moment you check this and you add it, next to it it shows maybe let's say add to cart. So total add to carts. I'll just apply this. Yeah, it shows me add to cart. Okay. So now you can pick not only add to cart or any other events, app installations or purchases, anything that you want to measure. Okay, it starts showing you have spent 5,662 and you had 100 add to carts, right? Measure what's happening with your spend. This can be measured on all the platforms. 99% of the platforms will help you to track this, what's happening with your ad campaigns. Okay, so now let's go back to the campaigns and see. We'll first look into it. What is there in this campaign? You will get an idea. Okay, then we will try to launch a new campaign. Okay, so catalog products interest based. Okay, so the interest based name is indicating that based on the people's interest that they are interested in food and food related, or maybe they might have liked or mentioned that I am a food lover, something like that. We'll look into that as well. Yeah, click on catalog product interest based. So here All visitors include people, all people visiting your website. Yeah, and product list will see what kind of ads are this. We'll look into it. See, if you look at this, is it not looking like the preview is exactly like the Google Ads preview, right? If you could recall, yeah. So these are all product listing ads. So people whomsoever have interacted with your website in the past will start seeing these kinds of ads on Facebook, right? So in fact, it can be exactly the same product what they have browsed on the website. On the website, if they had explored, uh, let's say gulab jamun, so they will get to see the same gulab jamun product here. See, that's how you are able to see when you go to a flight booking website, you go there and you come back to Facebook, you will see the same Amazon, you explore some product on Amazon, come back to Facebook, and you will see the same product on Amazon, right?
So we need to same product, same picture to Google and Facebook both same.
So this is all picking from the website. We'll look into this how data comes from website to
Oh,
Facebook as well. Yeah. See, data is all from website. From website, the data can be communicated to Facebook or to Google Merchant Center, and from Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. We'll try creating a new campaign. We'll get an idea. Yeah. So click on all campaigns. So now ads. This shows all the ads pertaining to different campaigns. Yeah. Okay. Let's start freshly. Okay. Click on plus create. Yeah. So what is your campaign type? Buying type is an auction or reservation. Let's go with an auction. Okay. Choose a campaign objective. So what is your campaign objective? Your campaign objective is awareness. Let's select awareness. We'll see others as well. Yeah. Click on continue. Yeah. So I'll call this as test campaign May 2024. Okay. So any campaign name for your reference. Yeah, this is not going to play any kind of role in the performance of your campaign. This is simply for your reference. Yeah,
inside.
special, yes, special ad categories. Declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, or housing, or about social issues, elections, or politics. Requirements differ by country. If you are promoting these kinds of things, declare if your ads
So
are
the
related. Yeah.
campaign name, the name won't be reflected anywhere.
No, no, it won't reflect anywhere. This is
Okay,
just for your reference on your dashboard in the back end.
fine, sir, fine,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So categories, look at this. They are suggesting that if you belong to any of these categories, every country has different norms or criteria that which you may have to follow, right? That's why they are asking if you belong, if you're promoting any of these things, let us know. Yeah, special and categories, no categories declared. Okay, so we are not declaring any of them because our you don't have to select. Yeah, you don't have to select any of them, you just ignore it. In case if you belong to any of these things, that's when you have to select. Campaign objective, buying type, auction, campaign objective, so more, campaign spend limit, none added. I'll add the limit. Add campaign spend limit, no limit set. I'll set to 100 rupees. Now it might say you have to spend at least 500, 400. See, look at this, everybody have learned. The campaign spending limit must be at least 5,000 for this currency. Which currency? I don't know. Please allow 15 minutes for these changes to take effect after you have saved them. Okay, so don't worry, it's not going to consume all 5,000 rupees. Yeah, it's just asking for budget. Okay, so you can remove that also. You can just remove that also. Yeah. So to help improve ad performance, test versions with different images, text, audiences or placement for accuracy. Each one will be shown to a separate group of your audiences. So when you turn on, what happens is, so this algorithm takes in control where your ad has to be shown. It starts showing your ads in the stories, in the messengers, on the wall, to the left side, to the right side. There are different names given to it, right? Just a simple text ads, image ads, right? So now let's not go with this. Next time when we are launching, we'll turn this on. Since there is nothing, you are just telling, it's a communication that you are making. Boss, I'm creating an ad copy, you do whatever you want and continue to show whichever is working out best for my business. It's basically not working out best for my business. Facebook platform or Instagram platform are capable of getting lots of traction. Let's say in stories, they will start showing in stories and they will consume all your money. Okay.
So this is also prepaid method or
Yes, prepaid. Yeah.
this not
Yes.
take this ad campaign spending limit. Maybe we don't know, sir, how much this ad will be spending to audience.
Yeah. So you can. That's why you can add the spend limit. We'll look into it.
Okay.
What happens? Yeah. So advantage campaign budget. Advantage campaign budget will distribute your budget across multiple delivering ad sets to get more results depending on your performance, goal choices, and bid strategy. You can control spending on each ad set. So within your campaign, you'll have ad groups, right? So when you turn this on, the spend will get distributed across multiple ad groups. Here it is not ad groups. Here it is ad set. Okay, so I'm not turning it off. Okay, any questions here, guys? Anybody has any questions in this section? So here we are just naming, giving a name to the campaign, right? And you have additional options or features to set the budget and to turn on an option for Facebook to optimize your campaigns. Not optimize, basically it, in a distribution method, it distributes your ads in different places for different ad group people, different people. Whichever is working best, they'll start spending more or they'll start showing that kind of ad. It could be an image ad. If image ad is getting more traction for your business, they'll show only image ad. If it is a video ad, it's getting more traction, they'll show video ads. If it is text ad, they will continue to show only text ad despite you uploading image and video. For them, whichever is performing best, they'll continue to pick that and show that ad to people. Yeah. Campaign budget, advantage campaign budget is nothing but splitting of your budget amongst multiple ad groups equally. It's not ad groups here, it is ad set. Instead of group, the group is named as set. Group, synonym for group. Bunch of people, set of people, correct? Here they have named it as set. Yeah. Click on next. Yeah, in case if you have done any thing wrong over there, it suggests you to fix. Okay. So same way now your ad set name. What is your ad set name? So this can be based on type of ads that you are running. Okay. So for now, I'll just call this as test ad set. Okay. So awareness, performance goal. Your performance goal is 1 second, everyone. Yeah. Your performance goal is how you measure success for your ads. For example, if your goal is to maximize the volume of purchases and you want to average and you want your average CPA, cost per acquisition, to be about $5, Meta will look for the best opportunities to reach that goal. Okay. See, businesses will have different kinds of goals. For example, a political party, what will be their goal? Their goal is to reach maximum number of people. Their goal could be to get maximum traction, engagement on the post. Correct? But when it comes to an e-commerce business, their goal will be to get maximum sales, or their goal will be to get a sale at specific amount or less than that amount, whatever they are going to set. That's what performance goal is. Maximize reach for ads. Your goal can be maximum reach for your ads, or your goal can be maximize number of impressions or maximize ad recall lift. We will try to show your ads to people who are likely to remember seeing them. That is recall lift. We will try to show your ads to people who are likely to remember seeing them. So this is mostly people who have previously interacted with your brand or might have seen your brand or your ads. So that is recall lift. It starts showing up again to those people. Yeah. Video view goals, maximize through play views. We will try to show your ads, video ads to people who will watch the entire video when it's shorter than 15 seconds. When it is shorter than 15 seconds, automatically people might watch it fully. When your video is 15 minutes, still look at their communication. How are they speaking? We will try to show your ad to people who will watch the entire video when it is shorter than 15 seconds. They are not committing when it is 1 minute, they will not get you full view. For longer videos, we will try to show it to people who are likely to watch at least 15 seconds. Again, same thing. When it is longer, we will try to make it watch at least 15 seconds. Maximize 2-second continuous video views. We will try to show your ads to people who are likely to watch 2 continuous seconds or more. Most 2-second continuous video views will have at least 50% of video.
Suppose our ad in photo views now, sir.
Then there is a different goal. You go with these goals.
No.
For video, if it is video, that's what they do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just clicking maximize reach for ads. Facebook page. What is your Facebook page? This is my Facebook page. Yeah, you have many more to look for. Select, you can show ads on all of these pages as well, right? You can show ads on all of these pages also, right? But I'm not selecting any of them. Yeah. Cost per result goal optional. What is this? Set a goal if you're aiming for a certain cost per result. To set your goal, use cost per result data from previous campaigns with the same optimization event and attribution setting. If you don't set a cost per result goal, Meta will focus on spending your entire budget and getting the most results. Cost per result goal is only available with some performance goal selections. So cost per goal, well, set it as 0.20 rupees. Verifying your changes. Bid too low. The bid for this ad is lower than the suggested bid range and might not show on Facebook. Increase the bid to within the suggested bid range or pause your ads. But 1 rupee is happy now.
What happened? 3,000 views, 3,000 views gone. Where is it?
No. Yes. So reach of ads will be counted
So seeing itself, it will be gonna click only.
by seeing.
Oh my
Meta
god.
will aim to get most 1,000 impressions and try to keep the average cost around what some results may cost more, not 1,000, 3,000. So for every 1,000 impressions you will get, you are setting 1 rupee. For every 1,000 impressions, you are setting it as 1 rupee.
Suppose 800 impressions.
0.8 rupee.
Okay. Okay.
So if 10,000 people are seeing your ad, you will be spending 10 rupees as per this.
So and scrolling, ad will come and scrolling done.
Yes. So if people are scrolling and they would not really pay attention to your ad, even if they're closing their eyes and scrolling also, it will be counted as an impression. Right? If you're closing your eyes right the moment when the ad is showing up to you, still it gets counted, right?
Probably we use cost per click also.
Not cost per click.
See,
CPM, cost per million impressions. Million is 1000 here. It's called as CPM. Okay. So now for 5000 budget, you will be getting this many million impressions. Reach, not even impressions, reach. Yeah.
so 5,000 itself reach million, sir.
Yes. Rough estimate. Estimated daily results. The accuracy of estimates is based on the factors such as past campaign data, the budget you entered, the budget you entered, market data, targeting criteria, and ad placements. See, there is a different price charged for showing ad at different places. If ad is shown on your Facebook to the left side, different price, right side, different price, top different price, on Messenger different price, right? On stories different price. Numbers are provided to give you an idea of performance for your budget, but are only estimates and don't guarantee results.
Okay, sir. So this ad will show in like timeline or stories or messenger. Any
Everywhere
specific
now you can pick that options. Okay.
big options.
Yes, we will have options too, where all we want to show the ads. Okay. So now coming back, we have picked the page, we have set the budget. Okay, we will set it to 5 rupees. We'll see for 1000 impressions, we are setting it to 5 rupees. Is it changing by any chance now? Estimated audience size 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 51 crore. 51 crore to 60 crores. So still we haven't picked the audience. We are going to define your audience selection is fairly broad. We selected some.
Sir, if we create a campaign, suddenly if we want stop things, we can stop. Correct?
Yes.
Anytime. So same method for Instagram, the same
Yes, yes, yes. Now the same can go live on Instagram. We'll look into it. You will get to see that as well. Yeah. So coming back, yeah. Here you have more. Let's see what is that more frequency cap. Default one impression every 7 days. So keep people from seeing your ad too often. Enter the minimum number of days that should pass before someone sees your ad again. So you can set this
days.
not to show an ad to the person until he completes next 3 days or 7 days. So you can set this to 1 day also. Now he must have seen it yesterday and again he will see it today or maybe tomorrow. So now it is set to 7 days. Until 7 days he will not see it again. On seventh day again he will see ad. Okay. So when you are charged, the selected option determines when you pay for your ad. For many optimization goals, you will pay each time your ad is served, known as an impression. Some optimization goals also let you choose between impressions and actions such as link clicks or through play for videos. Again, playing that. The recommended option shown here balances efficient spending of your budget to achieve your objective with easy understanding of your results. So now we are seeing these kinds of options because we have picked the goal as awareness. If you have picked the goal as lead generation, it would have been different all. We will launch all of them. We will go one by one. Yeah. Delivery type, standard delivery uses pacing to control your spend. Pacing keeps you from spending your budget too quickly and is recommended and preferred option for most advertisers. Accelerated delivery can be useful for time sensitive promotions. You need to set a bid cap to use accelerated delivery. Okay. So now you are setting budget of 200 rupees every day or 500 rupees every day. Now what Facebook does, it spends 500 rupees evenly across the day, or alternately you can turn on accelerated mode. This option is available. Standard and accelerated mode was available on Google Ads as well, which is now removed. Okay, so you can tell them you consume all the budget as quickly as you want. So it can consume all of this 500 rupees in the next 1 hour, or when you set it to a standard mode, it continues spending its whole day. Okay. provide creative elements such as images and deadlines, and we will automatically generate combinations. See, now you have to give one image and some amount of text, and they will automatically generate combinations optimized for the audiences. Variations may include different formats, templates, or audio based on one or more elements. Okay, so now we never used to use this option when we used to launch campaigns. See, all these are advancements on the application, advancements on the platform. We'll look into this feature as well later. We will try different campaigns and try exploring different features. So now daily budget, you can set it this to weekly budget, monthly budget, lifetime budget, not weekly, monthly, lifetime budget, daily budget, and lifetime budget. You will spend an average of 200 per day. Your maximum daily spend is 250, and your maximum weekly spend is 1400 rupees. Schedule, you can schedule this ad to start from 7:25 PDT or maybe any other time zone of your choice. Looks like the time zone is not set here. You don't have to set an end time or schedule to start, nothing. You just go with the start date. Okay. You can now schedule budget increases in advance based on certain days or times when you anticipate higher sales opportunities, peak traffic periods, or other promotional time periods. Budget scheduling. You can now schedule budget increases in advance. Budget increases in advance based on certain days or times. Okay, so now let's say every Sunday you see good number of sales coming in, and now using this feature you can schedule every Sunday increase my budget or every Monday increase my budget. Yeah, tell us the duration of your anticipated high demand. It's basically the time, not the week, basically time. So now every day at 2 p.m you get to see very good response. So during that time you can set the budget to be consumed more. Increase your budget during specific time periods. Yeah, I'm unchecking that option. Okay, let it run evenly. We have no clue. So these kinds of options will be enabled only once you have information. Otherwise, how will you decide what time of the day you are getting best traction or best sales or best visits or best engagements? The moment you decide at these particular times your performance is very good, that's when you will start using this option and instruct the platform. Okay, at 4 p.m. the response is super good, and you consider spending higher or spend quickly most of the amount during that period. Yeah, you can schedule here which days of the week. Ad scheduling is only available when you use lifetime budget. Okay, here we had an option, if you could remember, lifetime and daily. Okay, so that ad scheduling, if you pick lifetime, you will have that option. Let me pick lifetime. You get this option enabled. Yeah, look at this. You can select Monday 12 a.m. to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See, I am selecting the dates, and I'm telling that all my ads on these days has to start at 12 a.m. I don't want it to be starting at 12 a.m. I want ads to be run on Monday, but it has to start at 9 a.m. And if it is on Sunday, people are lazy, people wake up very late, let me start it at 12 p.m. on this day. Are you all getting it? Now with this option, I have scheduled ads to run only on Monday and on Sunday, and on Monday at 9 a.m. and on Sunday at 12 p.m. I'll remove that as well. Did you all get an idea, guys? I'm not scheduling it, and here again I'll change it to daily budget. Yeah. audience control. This is very important section where you define to whom you have to show your ads. Okay, with advantage plus audience, our system searches within these criteria for a more specific audience. To give our system flexibility to get results, we recommend setting these controls to create a broad audience. They will tell all these kinds of things only to spend more, to make you spend more. They are suggesting to go with advantage plus audience. I'll tell you what is advantage plus audience. Look at this. So on Google Ads, we were seeing something like what is that option? Uh, Auto optimize, not auto optimize. I'm unable to recall that word. Okay. So now same thing like you are giving control to Facebook, telling that you only find the audience and show it to them. So that's why they are telling they are recommending okay, you go with this advantage plus audience. Okay, before that we will look into this audience group. Okay, uh, you can set audience controls for this ad account to apply to all campaigns. Everybody, are you all following this?
So actually, Meta is related to Facebook.
Okay, so this is very much similar to we adding the negatives. So on Google Ads, we used to add negatives. Do you all remember? So we can set up here, do not show ads to people between age group of 18 to 25. This controls apply to all campaigns. You can make them more specific for individual campaigns. Except advantage based shopping campaigns, my business advertises age restricted goods or services. Okay, so you can turn this on and you can set the age. Okay, you can turn this on and you can search the locations that you don't want to show ads. So this is basically at the complete account level, you are restricting not to show ads in some of the locations and you are restricting not to show ads to some of the age groups. Are you all getting it, guys? That is your audience control. Okay, let me see here what all we can do. Location, India. Okay, I don't want India, I want only Bangalore. Yeah, so you can see Bangalore and 40 kilometers radius. It's going up to Doddaballapura and Ramanagara. So if I increase or decrease, it might go up to Tumkur also. See, it went close to Tumkur. Are you all understanding this? So you can set the boundaries. I want to show ads in and around Bangalore. And how many kilometers from center of Bangalore? 54 kilometers. I don't want 54 kilometers, just 30 kilometers. Because let's say my product or service is such that that's deliverable only within 30 kilometers of Bangalore. Okay, beyond here, Nalamangla, Anekal. Okay, this way you can set. And let's look into more as well. Minimum age 18 you can set. My age group is always 25 plus. You can set minimum age 20 or 23 or 24 or whatever you want. Exclude these custom audiences. Search existing audiences. I don't want to show these ads to all my website visitors. Okay. So this is something new. I'm telling that uh, all my website visitors already know about it. I don't have to promote it up again. So I can exclude showing ads to all the past website users or past users, right? So, but then I'm not excluding anything here. Languages, you can exclude showing ads. Let's say you are selling Hindi book in Bangalore. Can you show it to everybody? Can you expect a sale? Bhagavad Gita in Hindi, Bible in Hindi, or Quran in Hindi. Now, what will you do? You want to exclude people speaking Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, sorry, not Hindi, English, maybe English, not
So this
necessarily, but
language
Telugu.
was system language or
So, we are instructing to Facebook do not show ads to people who speak Telugu.
okay, in bio profile
Do
we
not
choose
show
Kannada
ads to
language.
people who speak Kannada. Did you all get that?
How is this identified?
Because you are telling the languages that you speak. When you register on Facebook, you are providing almost all kinds of details, your gender, your date of birth, right? Your interest, movies, etc. It collects so many details, correct? Based on that, okay. But I am not excluding this. See, this is all narrowing down, and you can go to any kind of narrowing. Your product is something that's applicable to everybody. Then don't do it. Clear, guys? Everybody? Yeah. So placements also we can edit it. Placements, you can decide where your ad has to be shown. So by default it's open for everything, advanced plus placements. Your budget will be allocated by Meta's delivery system across multiple placements based on where it's likely to perform best. Let's edit this. Manual placement, I don't want this to be placing my ad everywhere. I think showing ad at some places is super useful, and I'll take control. My ad has to be shown on Facebook, Instagram, and I can select to show it on Messenger. Okay.
But before option he mentioned recommended.
See, a political party from your state comes and says it's recommended to vote to my party. It's recommended to vote to my party. Why are they telling that? You know to whom you should vote, correct? You know who is the right person who can bring in the progress or contribute for the society, correct? You know, you are capable of understanding and sensing, right? But everybody says recommended vote to my party, recommended vote to this candidate, recommended, they are adding it. And people like you think, okay, when they put recommended, that's the finest thing, that's the best thing. But ultimately it's their selfishness that they want all the votes to them, to their party, correct? Are you all getting it, guys? Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. So platforms, audience network, we'll see what is this audience network. I'll turn off everything. Using fewer than 6 placements may increase cost per result. Look at this. I will I will give you all spoiled tomatoes, spoiled cucumber, spoiled carrot, spoiled brinjal, spoiled bananas, and I'll give you kg at 10 rupees. Now, the moment when you say I want finest quality, they are telling that I'll charge you 100 rupees per kg. The moment you tell that I want manual placement and ads to be shown only on audience network. Audience network is scrolling. Sorry, what is this audience network? Yeah, here you have to pick the placement still. I'm not sure about the audience network. Okay. See now, I was telling that people can register for an AdSense and they can start earning, right? So now Facebook also has that option, the ad audience network, where the games they all can register for Facebook monetization, and when you pick this audience network, the ads will be shown on those apps network, right? It could be WhatsApp, it could be any other app, it can be anything, right? So you can remove this. See, by default ad everywhere, at least Messenger is still on Facebook and Instagram, correct? Now here also feeds. What are these feeds? We'll show. We'll see one by one. This is your feed. Like when you start scrolling, it shows something like this: stories and reels. Yeah, you all know how stories look. You all know how reels look like. Correct, everybody. You have seen ads in those places as well. And now if you select them, see now this is how it looks: stories and reels. Feeds, in-stream ads, in videos. While playing videos you see ads, right? Those are like this in-stream. Search results: when you are searching something on Facebook, your ad will show up. You are going to Facebook and you are searching some product name and your ad will be shown. Messages, you see in the top the green color icon, after the person arrow fang, after that Jasper's Market checkout best, correct? You see the second one here, this one, this is ad in the messages. Apps and sites. On various other apps and websites, your ad will be displayed like this. So now you can decide where and all your ad has to be shown. So this again depends on study of performance or traction of your ad across various placements. Are you all getting it, guys? Everybody? Yeah, for now I'm just picking some of these options. I'll exclude this and I'll pick this and this one. Yeah, I have removed in-stream video, okay? And yeah, manual placements. Verifying your edits. So now advantage audience is basically showing it to everybody on the earth. Okay. So you have picked demographics. Sorry, the location, minimum age, location. See now this is of no use despite you picking this location. I'll tell you why for different reasons. So this advantage audience is used. You haven't set any audience, like I have passed lookalike audience, all website visitors, custom audience. So you can create audiences. You can create new audiences, custom audience. I'll pick only mail. See all your sources, websites, app activity, catalog. So like all the products, like shopping campaigns, catalog ads, search product set, all products. I can pick specific products. So this has 1.5 products. So you can pick some items of your choice. Maybe add items. Oh, this is seen by user. Yeah, you have to enter. Adding a title will help us show your product to the right shoppers. Okay. I just copy paste some information. Price of this product, let's say this much. For images, we have mixed up on images. Okay, for now I'll not upload image. I don't have the image. Image is compulsory though. Okay, so your images needs to be at least 500 into 500 pixels and no larger than 8 MB. Okay, so we'll have to cancel this. I don't have image now. What are we doing? Yeah. So I'll just pick all products. I'm not going to select any specific product. Okay. Audience name, catalog products, audience. So now what happens is now events accounts center accounts who viewed products from your product set includes people who viewed a product on your website or app. So this is basically this option, who added products from your product set to baskets. See, there are different events on basis of which you can show ads to people. Events. So these are the possible events. People who have visited product pages on the website, they'll start seeing ads on Facebook. Or I don't want to show ads to everybody who has visited my website. I want to show ads to people only who have added products to the cart. This option, who purchased who purchased products from your products that include people who purchased the product on your website or app. Are you all understanding these options? I can decide to show ads only to these people. The number of days will remain in your audience after they engage with your content. People will be removed from your audience after the set time period unless they engage with the content again. Maximum time 180 days. So now you are telling that to show ads to people who have visited your website or who have added products to cart or might have purchased products with you, and how many days Facebook should hold that data in order to show ads to them. You can define that here. You are telling that to hold the data for 14 days, and until 14 days people will see the ads. And now you can set it to 30 days, 60 days, and maximum is 180 days, not beyond 6 months. So if you have visited Big Basket website today, Big Basket can continue to show ads for the next 6 months. Are you all getting this, guys? Everybody?
Yeah.
So, or Big Basket can decide to show ads only for the next 1 month or next 15 days. Right? Minimum they have recommended is 14 days, which you can anyways change. You can change it to, I don't know, 14 will be the minimum, I believe. Yeah, 6, 3 for the next 3 days. Sometimes we will be running a big billion day sale. I don't want it to show for the next 3, 4 days about that big billion day sale. Right? Include more people. All these are not compulsion. They're all optional. Okay. So I'll just remove this. Audience name, all websites, all product page viewers, create audience. And my ads will be, so now look at this right side. Here it is showing 6.1 million to 1.2 million people, right? Now when I select this audience, automatically my ads will be shown only to those, something wrong here, what is wrong? Why it's not saving? There's no error displayed. Probably would have got saved also, I'm not sure. Okay, it's not saved. Connect with people who have already shown interest in your business or product. Website who have shown interest in on your people must have visited your website. On your app, they must have performed some activities. Catalog, they must have explored your catalog. Customer list, you can upload uh, the email IDs Offline activities. I don't know how this. Create an audience of people who have interacted with your business in store over the phone or other. It's same thing again. You will be uploading contacts, customer list. Create an audience by uploading a list of customers who have interacted with your business. Information in the list is hashed into anonymized code before it reaches Meta. Okay, Meta sources. Create an audience of people who watched one of your videos on Facebook or Instagram. If somebody has watched your video on Facebook or Instagram, you can show ads only to those people. Lead form, if anybody has filled the form on your Facebook, audience of people who opened or completed the form. See, sometimes after filling the form, next action, you might offer a discount, correct? So in those cases, you can pick only these kind of people and you can show a custom ad to them. Instant experience. Create an audience of people who opened your instant experience on Facebook or Instagram. What is this instant experience, guys? I don't use Facebook and Instagram much. What is this instant experience? Anybody here? Anybody here knows what is instant experience on Facebook and Instagram? So this option is showing ads only to people who have followed your page. This option is they must have performed a specific action on your Facebook post. You can next level you can pick the actions, likes or shares or subscribe whatsoever. Instagram account whomsoever are following the ads can be shown. Shopping whomsoever have interacted your ads. Augmented reality, create an audience of people who interacted with your AR, augmented reality experience or effect on Facebook or Instagram. I'm not sure about this option as well. Okay, I'll have to now we'll look into that again as well. Instant experience, instant experience.
So now the question is this. What is instant experience?
Product or service. So instant experience is a full screen experience that opens after someone taps your ad on a mobile device. You can create an instant experience to visually highlight your brand or products. So this is nothing but it's a type of presentation for your ad, instant experience. The ad opens to the full screen on the device. For such people, in case if people previously have opened the ad to the full screen, for those people you show the ads again, instant experience. People opening the ad to the full screen on their mobile phones is instant experience, and again you can target them and you can show ads to them. Okay. Augmented reality. Some ads based on the images you provide, text you provide, that is augmented reality ad. Okay, followed your Facebook page can be again targeted to show the ads, right? So now, is that clear, guys? Everybody? Now we are just going with everybody. We haven't created any kind of audiences as of now. We just selected minimum age and we are targeting Bangalore at 30 km, and this is going to show ads to everyone. Just click on next. Yeah. So this is how your ad preview is, since we are launching the break free. Yeah. So now here you can set up the ad. You can create the ad content on the format whatever you want. Look at this here. There are different kinds of ads. Choose how you like to structure your ad: single image or video. Okay. So single image or a video you can have it, and as of now it's just picking up from one of your ads. Yeah. So now first thing you have to select what kind of ad you want to go with: single image or video, or carousel or collection. Two or more, so one image or video or a slideshow with multiple images. Slideshow with multiple images, that single image or video ad. Carousel, two or more scrollable images or videos is called as carousel. So when you add the relevant content here, you will get an idea. We'll go with this one for now. A group of items that opens into a full screen mobile experience. They are collection. We'll look into it. And yeah, here automatically it has picked some text media. Media. They have randomly picked some media from our Facebook channel. We can change it. Let me cancel this instead of editing this. Okay. Media. I am deleting this media. Add media. Add image. It shows you can pick from your Facebook photos all that you have published previously. I'm just selecting some random image, and this is how it looks. See guys, we are almost done. So 1 is to 1 ratio, how it looks like: 9 is to 16. Okay, the image is too small to be cropped. 1 is to 91 is to 9. Original search results. Stories and reels, it looks like this. The images, you have to pick the best one. Due to short of time, we are not uploading the image sizes that's needed. Okay, just let's go with this. Yeah, and look at this, the preview, how it looks. Yeah, this is messages, and the text that goes above, below, call to action, everything you can update it here. Yeah, everything like how you do it on Google Ads. You have to trial and error all these details, like which one is as expected. Like look at this, this is how it looks. WhatsApp chat with us, you can remove this, and you can visit my website or buy now, shop now, whatever you want. You can take control of it, all that control. See now, number WhatsApp, if you are mentioning a chat with us, the WhatsApp number is also updated here. Yeah, messaging apps, instant website, it shows now to visit your website. The moment I pick website option here, see, it shows display URL. I haven't put the display URL here, correct? So the moment I put display URL and text here, it shows the display URL. Yeah. So again, I'll switch back to messaging apps. And messaging apps also, do you want to receive messages on Messenger, Facebook Messenger, or Instagram Messenger, or WhatsApp? I have picked WhatsApp, so it's showing chat WhatsApp. Yeah. Messenger template, hi, please let us know how can we help you. Pre-filled message, hello, can I get more information? See, this is the pre-filled text for your customer, right? And this is the pre-filled text that default goes to customer from your Facebook page or from your WhatsApp or from anywhere it is. You can edit this and create your customized message for customer if you're going with WhatsApp. See, there's a lot to understand or to explore all of these features available on social media platforms. Yeah. So let's see if we are missing out on any fields, and if you are missing out on any information, see, it's showing you some issue. Okay. Where is the issue now? That's why it's not allowing us to publish. Yeah. The moment you fix the images which are applicable for most of these placements, for every placement, that's when you will be able to publish it, and that's when this issue goes away. Yeah. Did you all understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just
So,
one question.
yeah.
So is it because of size that option is not coming, or why?
Yes, yes,
Or
yes.
what is
Image issue. Because of the
that?
image issue, it's not allowing you to publish.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
So Anumati dosha, so authentication or like permission, something like that with regard to this. I'll have to look into this. Anumati dosha. ನೀವು ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಸ್ತುವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೋಚರಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕ್ರಮವು ಕೆಲವು ಖಾತೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. There is some issue here, but this is all. We have done everything except publish and fixing this issue associated with images or something mostly related to the account. Either related to the account, like there is unsettled amount from this account. Okay, so some amount had to be paid to Facebook, I guess. That is one reason, or it could an image issue. One of them. Mostly, it seems to be like an unsettled amount. There is some ticket raised by us also in the past. Something it's showing that issue. That's why we are not able to publish. The next class we'll try out with a different ad account. Yeah, but the moment you all can use this ad account, you should start launching. See, it doesn't consume much. It doesn't consume much. It doesn't take much of the budget to explore all of these options that are available. At least you don't enable it. Publish them and pause them. Publish the campaigns and pause them so that it doesn't consume any amount at all. Okay. Moreover, you might have to add card. Don't add it. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? So, anybody has any questions?
No, sir.
I think it's all easy for all of you, right? Facebook.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll wind it up for today and we'll connect back tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay.